Backyardigans. Jingle Bell Christmas. A Lift the Flap story. Dashing through the yard to the secret Santa tree, I'm carrying a gift, but who's got one for me? Ho-ho! I picked out someone's name, and someone else picked me. How great it is to meet my friends at the secret Santa tree. Oh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to give a gift on Christmas Day. Dashing through the snow, I'm making quite a track. I'm carrying a Christmas gift. It's hidden in my pack. Hear my snowshoes crunch. I'm heading to the tree. I've got a gift beneath my hat, but who's got one for me? Oh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to give a gift on Christmas Day. I'm dashing through the snow. I've got my speedy sled. I have a gift inside my bag. Yikes! Look out for that shed. I'm carrying a gift and skating to the tree. I hope I make it there on time. It's very slippery. Oh! Jingle bells, we made it to the tree. I gave you a Christmas gift and you gave one to me. Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. Happy holidays!